Hello, this is question 8B of the 2022-2023 NECO examination, and it says find the equation of a curve which passes through the point minus 2, 5 and has a gradient of 6x squared plus 8x minus 3 at any point on the curve. The gradient means change, that is the y. The x is said to be 6x squared plus 8x minus 3. Now, to get the particular equation where this change was derived, we need to integrate the y dx, which is it was integral of 6x squared plus 8x minus 3. We are integrating with respect to x. So y now becomes, so if we integrate this, we add 1 to this power and divide it, the power by whatever we have here. So that will become 6x raised to the power 3 all over 3 plus 8x. We add 1 to this becomes 2 all over 2 minus 3x plus c. So x that we have here is raised to the power 0. So when we add 1 to it, the x will surface. So x equals 2x raised to the power 3 plus 4x squared minus 3x plus c. Now, the question says we must find the value of this c in order to get the appropriate equation that we are looking for. So they said at point minus 2, 5. What this means is that at this point, x is minus 2 and y is 5. So let us substitute. So y equals 5. So and our x is minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 raised to the power 2 minus 3 minus 2 plus c. So 5 will now becomes minus 2 raised to the power 3, that's 8. 8 multiplied by 2, that's minus 16. Minus 2 raised to the power 2, that's 4. 4 multiplied by 4, that's 16 plus 16. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, that gives us plus 6 plus c. So 5 equals 6 plus c, because 16 will cancel the 16. So c equals 6 minus 5 and c minus 6 plus 5, because this 6 will come to this side, becomes negative. C equals minus 1. So we are now going to substitute this value of c into this expression, so such that y equals 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x minus 1. And this is the equation of the curve which passes through this line. So this is a solution for question 8B of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. For other solutions within this series, please check my channel. They are very much available. If you have any question, any query, please put it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Till I see you next time, remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much and be good.